this is Joanne. How are you today? I am coming to you with a layout for Bramble Fox. I've got some shop items and some things from the February Fox box, which is super cool. And I will link everything below for you, and you can get the February Fox box subscription. You can order and get the February box up until the 3rd of February, and then if you sign up after the 3rd, you'll start your subscription with the March Fox box. Okay, so I'm using an older hip kit. It's February 2022. It was like their Valentine's collection. It's got super pretty papers in it, and I'm going to use all scraps. I had this white background with this really pretty floral border. I had these scraps, so I said, well, let's just use them, and then I distressed the edges with some Distress Oxide and Seedless Preserves. So what I was thinking is just put the paper in a pretty manner on the page like this, and then I want to be able to see this floral one because it's so pretty. It's like one of my favorite papers from that collection. So let's see, something maybe like this. I don't know. I want them to be at all different heights. That would look pretty. And then I have a photo of me and my husband, and this branding strip stuck to some of the adhesive I had on this picture, so I'm just going to leave it there and see if it looks good. So there we go. Okay. So maybe something like that, and then we can embellish all around. All right, friends, I have all of this adhered down. Now, I love these papers, and I just wanted to use up some scraps. So just put your scraps out, little ink blending, put them in all different heights and levels and stuff, and it comes out super pretty. I mean, I like it. Okay, this is so cool. This metal die from Bramble Fox. I love it. It's so cute. It comes with the cutest little jean pocket. Look at it. And it's got the stitched effect in it. And it's got 2 zippers, a little squiggly line, and the zipper border. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, isn't it? I'll link that below too. So I decided to use the zipper border. We can bring it up really close so you can see the stitching in it. Isn't that cute? I am going to turn my page because I want to put it right here. So I'm going to slide it under here, but I want to make sure that I can still see the stitching effect on it. So hopefully I'll be able to put it there. Hopefully. Hold on to it. Get underneath it and then put some glue. Just don't want it to move on me so I can't see that stitching. Okay, I'm going to bring it closer to me here. And then put some glue down on this end too. Oh my goodness, I did it. So these right here are the lyrics to our wedding song, and I printed them on vellum, and it's called You Set My World on Fire, and it's by Loving Caliber. I will link that in the description box below in case you want to hear it. It's a very pretty song. I put it on vellum, printed it on vellum, and I think I want to leave it just like that. Came with this tag, which I don't need to waste the whole thing, because I can use this someplace else too. So I'll cut the top off that and use that perhaps on a different layout. And I just put a little sticker on it in there that says love you. Where shall I put this? Maybe right there. I'm not going to glue that down yet because I might need to slide it depending on where we end up putting our embellishments. All right, let's, oops, I almost ripped that. That would have been lovely. I wonder what it will do with just a little teeny dot of glue. Very teeny tiny dot. It's better than it ripping, right? Okay, this is a chipboard floral. Let me see how I would want this. I wonder if I want it like this. That looks pretty. Or if it would look good like this. Either way, really. This is a chipboard frame, and I'm just going to put it in here, I think, just to add a little something. So how about right there? Cute. And then I have some Bramble Fox acrylic hearts in different heart shapes. I love that. And then I've got some leaves that I cut out from a metal die from previous layout that I thought I was going to use them, and I obviously did not. So I pulled those out too. I'm doing some stash busting, and this is the record I was telling you about. Isn't it cute? So we used to listen to our record. All right, I think I'm good with that. So let me get all of this where I think I want it, and then we'll put some glue down. Glue that right to the photo. And then hopefully this frame stays where it is. I'm going to put some glue underneath that. Had a little sneak out the side there. Put this little record inside there, like so. Okay. All right, now here's these. So let's figure out the best way to get these to look good over here. Maybe slide this in here. Get my tweezers. Oh, that's cute. All right, I think I'm going to need one over here. And then we'll put one up here too. This is why I always keep things. That's cute. Okay, I'm going to go with that. Throw a little glue underneath there, like so. Oh no, this didn't glue down well enough. That's odd. Let me try again. I'll put some glue under here. Okay, stay. All right, here's this leaf, and then we'll get this one. Do I want it there or I want it there? Oh, I like it there. Okay, we'll move it over just a little bit. Like that. Cute. Put a little enamel dot or something in here. I have these hearts too. Then I was thinking this is an epoxy flare from the paper snips. You can use it by itself, or you can get a little epoxy flare from the shop. Get a whole package of them and use them with the paper snips, or make your own flare button. Okay, I found some teeny tiny little foam squares in my drawer. I'll use that just to bring this flare button to the same level as the chipboard circle frame here. That's cute. It says love you forever. Then I'm going to put a title here. So here's the rest of the stuff from these kits and the perspectives. And again, like I said, some of the stuff is from the shop, some of it's from the February Fox box. Here's the radio I was talking about. Isn't that cute? So I want to try to get that in since it's about the music lyrics. Here's another zipper, but I did it in a different color. I don't know if I want to use it. If I do, maybe I'll put it over here, but I'm not sure. And then here's some more chipboard frames. I just was thinking to use these up somehow. So perhaps I was thinking about maybe even making a sequin shaker, but I don't think that this layout necessarily needs that. So we'll put one there and look at the mixtape. Isn't that color pretty? Oops. Okay, it's got hearts and it says mixtape. I can't even, how cute that is. Maybe I'll put this mixtape right inside this frame. And then, because this record is black, I brought in this chipboard frame, and I thought I would just bring this over here a little bit, like that. Maybe move this over a little bit more. It's cute. Put something in there. Maybe this radio would look cute on top of that. Here's some more leaves, and this kind of doesn't make any sense, having leaves come out of a mixtape, but if I do this, then it ties this in with this cluster down here. And There you go. Alright, there's that. And then I have a butterfly. I'm not sure what to do with him. Here is the Cherish perspective. Isn't that the most beautiful pink color? I love it. Nice scripty font. And all of Bramble Fox comes with protective coating. If I can get this started here. So you just go to the back and you'll see it. And you just peel it off like this. Super simple. This keeps it from getting scratched, and I think it has to be there when they cut the acrylic. Okay, foam square to go over the chipboard and some glue to adhere to the chipboard. All right, that's in. I know I want this here, and it says Cherish, and then I picked out some very small alphas from the Hip Kit Club. It says Cherish Moments with You. I spelled out, but I might want to just say Cherish This Moment. I think I might change my mind on that. I think it's cute. Alright, so let's put this down, and then I'll figure out the little alphas off camera because they're so tiny. I always glue them, and I will not make you watch me glue every single one of those little teeny itty bitty alphas down. Alright, little glue there. Move this so I can make sure you can see what I'm doing here. Isn't this font beautiful? That looks pretty straight. Okay, I will put this subtitle down, or finish my title, and then I will be right back. And we are all done. I went ahead and finished my title. It says Cherish This Moment. And I did in blue and green, every other alternating colors. I glued down my awesome Bramble Fox heart perspectives, and the heart perspectives come in a lot of different colors, so I'll link those below too if you'd like to pick some of those up. I put a couple honeybee stamped gems around and Pink Fresh Studio gems down in the pink and teal, which I thought went really well with this paper collection. So let me bring it in close. Look at the mixed tape. I can't even with that mixed tape. And the heart perspective and the little radio. Isn't that adorable? I love it. And here we go with the rest of that. And here's the metal die of the little zipper, which is so cute. Here's this little cluster and that record and the epoxy flare. A couple more little heart perspectives and that awesome Cherish title, which I love. So pretty. Okay guys, that's it. So I was glad to be able to document my wedding song, and again I'll leave a link to that song in the description box below if you would care to hear it. If you have any questions about Bramble Fox, do not hesitate to contact me. I'll see you again soon. Bye.